Man, it's a nice little morning out here. Last night we had some storms come in through the AM hours. It rained, real bad winds all night. But anyway, got a nice little peaceful morning this morning. I'm up here at my family's, about to go down the mountain to the lake and do some crappie fishing with my dad. And I think my brother might be there too. But yeah, anyway, we'll see y'all when we get down there. We're gonna be doing some crappie fishing. We'll see, hopefully we can get on some crappie for y'all. But it's been a minute since I caught a crappie. I think it was back in, since Thanksgiving. But anyway, decided to get down there and sling some crappie in the boat. Anyway, y'all stay tuned. See you at the lake. Yeah, I do. Stripe. I bet that's what them were showing up. Got your little stripe. Got him on live minnow. Nice, and first fish of the day. Not what we're after, but still fun to catch. Okay. Yeah, just throwing it back in there. There's something. Get him away from that stick right there.
Where is that stick now?
It is another stripe. I bet that's what was showing up. There he is, y'all. A little stripe. Oh, see you, bud.
There you go. Back him on.
Oh, I think it is. Oh, yeah, that's a keeper too. Man, yeah. Well, I think he's probably about 11. Where'd you get him?
Right over in that water.
Right over in that water. Okay. That narrows it down. Yeah, that's a good one. We swallowed it, didn't we?
Yeah, he won.
Ain't no sense of measuring that guy.
Hey, somebody's under.
I've reeled in. Yeah, that's a good one. Got water in there. Oh, that's a crop. Ah. No, he broke me off. Yeah, broke me off, y'all. Yep, must have been. Man.
Pounds at least, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was the best one of the trip. Nah. Uh-oh, there it is. There you. I gave it about a 2 minute.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
I mean, 2 second.
That's the stripe.
Yeah, that's the stripe bow, I told you. I thought it was, because that's about where we was getting them earlier. There he is, y'all. Little stripe. Let's get him back. Alright, y'all, we moved locations. Got a few markings. See if we can get on them. You ready?
Oh, yeah.
Fish on.
excitement.
Dang it, Dale, there better be some fish here. Ooh, it is. Oh, and a good one at that. There he is, crappie master.
See the count of that fork.
Yeah, seen that.
Further than he had it in his mouth.
Uh-huh. Yeah. He was about right in there, wasn't he? Here, me put him in the live well. Yeah, it's a good one. Look at that, y'all.
Thank you, Lord.
Nice little crappie. Second one, I broke off on one. And striper's been stealing our baits, but
They gotta eat too.
But we don't mind feeding them either, so just hope we don't run out of minnows on them.
Do it slow, real slow. Bring it back to you. And then I'll
Oh.
help him. Got him?
Yeah, I didn't do the piles though, I forgot, but uh-oh, we might have got on them. Cash right there, Season. Oh, no.
Hey, put him in the box. He ain't too yellow.
Yeah. I ain't thought it's a crappie, y'all. But these, you can eat them too, so we're gonna keep this one. He's got a little size to him. Oh, I'm down too. All right, now I might have pulled on this. I hope so. We is a fighting, ain't he? No, another stripe, ain't it? Another stripe, John. Yeah, we can eat it. There he is, y'all.
Reeling it in.
It's a crappie, you can tell.
Just to slowly roll it. Keep that minnow moving. Instead of it just sitting up there in one place and cover more water.
He's too small, I think.
Let me see. No, I'm gonna blade that to you.
Alright, we'll eat him. Make a good little fillet out of him, drop him down some grease. Drop him in that right there. Got 2 crappie and a few stripe. We're on to something.
Own them.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Own them.
Oh, sure.
No, but I don't.
It's in. He's on there. He probably just ran towards the boat, is what he did. Yeah, here, go back, Poe.
Well, I need to take my pot and my drive.
I think it'll.
Probably just a bill.
Ooh,
What? Yeah.
ooh, big cat. Yeah, here.
Woohoo!
I got a net. There, I got him. Heck yeah.
We haven't catfished for supper too.
That's your first cat, ain't
You never caught catfish.
it? Cool.
I
No.
don't reckon.
I don't think she had. Hey, you can hold him up the camera.
How do I hold that one?
Just how you would a bass, or not lip him, but just hold him up from my GoPro, and then I'll get a picture on my phone. Now he might flop,
Yay.
so hold on him pretty good. There he is, y'all. She got a catfish, her first catfish. It's a nice one. Good job.
Thanks.
And let me get a picture on my phone. Just right here in front of the boat. Here, hold that now.
Can you hang on just a second? I'm gonna fish. Sorry.
Oh, that's a good strap. Here, I can get it for you if you need to get the phone.
Okay, sorry.
All right.
Out on the lake with my father-in-law and husband, and I had a fish for some.
Nice little strap.
Could be a crappie, guys. Over there.
Ooh. Is that a...
Looky here, looky here.
That a... Oh, man. Golly.
Thank you, Lord. Okay, guys, I believe we can catch some fish here, but stay back away from the wood. It will be in there spooking them out.
Here. Nice one.
Look here, this old one-eyed minnow going in there. He can't find them as good as if he had two eyes. He just, an old one-eyed minnow.
You get that?
Yeah. There he is. No sense in measuring him. I know he'll make it. Well, that's 3, I think. Wrap it up, I take it. Probably cast right on you.
You do.
I get you. Yeah. You know it.
Hang it, look.
Should be able to do that right there. There you go. Man, that is a good one. Nice. There he is, y'all. Another nice keeper. Alright. There's some high winds, y'all. We've been dealing with this since about 12 o'clock. Every now and then you'll get high wind gusts and kind of making it difficult, but we still out here catching a few. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, first crappie of the day. For me, anyway.
Okay, before you get. Hey, look, I believe just one thing. Put that on video. But y'all can't do that out there in TV land.
What? Get tangled up? Yeah.
On a windy day.
Yeah. Got it. Ah. There he is, y'all. My first crappie of the day. Not a bad one. I'm pretty sure he's 10. Let me measure it. Yeah, he's 10. Move your foot there. Bye.
Hey, did you see where we was at?
Yep, right in alignment. Man, that's a good one. Flopping crappie. Can't beat that. I got it. There you go. We got managed to get on another one. We're out here fighting this wind, but we finally found a spot that was holding some. Look at this, y'all. We got some white cap. Hear me now. Sorry about the audio. I know it's probably not the best, but we're heading out of here because this wind's getting real bad.